Alright, just got finished cleaning the car. Everything looks great. And then I realized when I looked in the trunk, I had these caps sitting there. So here are the original Aero rims that come with the car, and I had purchased the caps way back when, and I was going to put them on a while back until I found the bolt in this front tire here, and that changed everything. So I never ended up installing it, so I thought right now, since I just cleaned the car, I would give it a go. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to remove the cap here, the Aero rims. I have a feeling they're going to be pretty dirty underneath, so I have some O&R to spray to clean it all up. And then I also have this heavy-duty suction cup, which I've seen on the Reddit boards, everybody's praising, so we can open this up and see how it helps in popping the caps out when you're done and you want to try to put the Aero rims back on for a long drive. So let's give it a shot, see what happens. Alright, so let's pop these off here. Alright, let's take a look, see what we've got. And not too bad. Pretty dirty, but not as bad as I thought it would be. So let's see how this O&R does here. Give this a spray. Let that sit there a bit. Now let's clean this up. I will say the Aero rims are a lot easier to take care of. Obviously it's a lot dirtier in here now, but I can see how cleaning these down the road, those Aero rims are super easy to give a quick wipe down. These are a lot easier than a lot of rims I've had in the past, but every time you have to go through each spoke and clean those up. And now that everything's all exposed here as well, I have a feeling you're going to be seeing a lot more. Those Aero rims were a lot cleaner. You didn't have all that brake dust spraying onto it. It's all kind of encapsulated in here. So, here we go. That looks good right now. Now let's try these caps. So, first one, Tesla cap. Give that a try. Pop that in there. That looks good. And each plastic cap here. The set was originally $30 on the Tesla website. I see they've now changed. They are now $50. That looks really good. Quick little change. Go through the car real quick. But really an inexpensive way to give the car a different style, a different look. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment down below. Keep the Aero rims, or should I try these out for a little bit? Let me know what you think, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I've got some more stuff that I'm trying out here pretty soon. I've got a few things coming in from Abstract Ocean and a few others on their way. So gonna have some good videos out for you guys pretty soon. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video if you enjoyed what you watched, and thanks again.